What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Z Ever Design. So today we are going to make a wooden Punisher head. It's one of, honestly, the first things I started scroll sawing, and I do them in 1x, and I do them in thin pieces of plywood at I think they're like 1/4 of an inch. They're a lot of fun to make, they're quick, they're easy, and honestly, they turn some pretty serious profit. So I've probably sold 60 of them by now. So we're going to transfer the picture to the wood, we're going to take it over to the scroll saw, we're going to cut it out, sand it, and get it ready. I have to have this one shipped out on Monday, so we're going to get that all done right now. Alright guys, so here we are at the workbench. What we're going to do is we are going to take this printed out picture and attach it to the wood. Now, if you haven't seen where I made the K Heart J sign, when I made that, I just taped the paper to the wood. That is a quick, easy way of doing it. But I prefer to use the carbon paper as long as you're working with pine or any other light colored wood. So what you do is you take your carbon paper. You can get this at Walmart. They come in packs like this. Honestly, it lasts forever. Lay that down on the wood. Lay your Punisher head down. And then we simply just make sure that everything's going to be on wood. And it is, so now we just trace it real fast. And there it is. Trace straight onto the wood. Now, before we take it over to the scroll saw, we have to drill holes in the eyes and in the nose hole. That way we can get our blade ran through. Let's get to scrolling. Now that we're at the scroll saw, we are going to start by cutting the outline of the head out. And then I'm going to go back in, do the eyes, do the nose, and then sand it, and then, of course, we're going to light it on fire. So, let's get to cutting. Alright guys, so now that we have the head cut out, what we need to do is we need to come in, do the eyes and the nose. So we're going to get that done real quick. Alright guys, so there it is, all cut out. Start to finish takes about 15 minutes. We're going to sand it and then clean up the edges, and then we're going to get the torch out. We're going to burn it, polyurethane it, box it up, and ship it out. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so now that it's sanded, it's time to hit it with some fire. Alright guys, so there it is. I think that one turned out awesome. I am actually kind of sad this one's going to the mail. I really like this burn pattern right here. I really like the burn pattern on this one a lot actually. So let's get some clear coat on it and get it packed up. Alright guys, so to finish the Punisher head with the burn, I like to use this Krylon varnish. I find it at Walmart in the arts and crafts area, not the where all the paint and polyurethane is. So I like using this, especially on the burn. It keeps it, giving it that wet look. So throw a quick coat on there. This stuff's super easy to use too, right? That's it. I mean, it's easy. So we're gonna let that dry for a little while, and then we will get it finished up. All right, guys, that does it for the Punisher head. So here it is, all finished up. Looks really nice. Got that one. Then I did grab a couple other ones, like the blank, real thin ones. I make these out of crates that I get from work. Some other burnt. That one's, you know, black and white. You can do all sorts of stuff. I did an American flag one. I've done blood splattered ones. I mean, they're just a lot of fun. They're really easy to make, and the possibilities are endless. So I know I did 2 scroll saw videos back to back. I did not intend for that to happen. I know if you're not a scroll sawer, that's kind of annoying, but some of my other projects that I'm currently working on and filming to make an episode, I'm running into snags on either waiting on stuff to come in from Amazon, waiting on, you know, things to dry or whatever. I do have a charcuterie board, the live edge wood serving trays coming up. I do have the Miles Craft sign making kit coming up. I have a cheap 4x4 present ideas coming up, and there was another one I had. There's another one I'm working on, but well, those will be coming out. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can see that when that happens. As always, thanks for stopping by my shop this week. Zach with Zero Designs, and get to work, guys.